My name is Samuel Chunga. I come from Lusaka in Zambia. I started having heart problems about 6-7 years ago. These problems intensified to the point where I needed medical attention. When I sought this medical attention, I wasn't able to find the kind of medical attention I needed in my country, because mainly they did not have the equipment to enable them identify the problems quickly. My children asked me to prepare a file, a copy of my medical file back in Zambia. I gave them this copy and they started scanning. They scanned around and they came across Dr. Bojwani. Dr. Bojwani recommended that my case could possibly be better handled at Artemis in New Delhi. And he recommended so because it was discovered from my file that I had not done or had an angiogram. And my country didn't have an angiogram. So on the basis of that, arrangements were made to make inquiries with regard to the costs, travel arrangements, and so on. We completed those arrangements and I was able to travel to India on the 25th of February. I underwent surgery when I got to India, to the hospital. I underwent an angiogram, and the angiogram revealed that I had problems with 2 of my valves, and that those 2 valves would need to receive attention by way of replacement. I was therefore admitted for replacement of a valve replacement on the 28th. The operation went very well. I'm very grateful with the staff of Artemis, the doctors, the nurses, and everybody there. The competence is unquestionable. Friendliness is unquestionable. Personal attention is unquestionable. I would therefore not hesitate to recommend to any of the people with a similar problem to me to Artemis for attention, because I'm very sure they will get the necessary and appropriate solution to their problem. Well, I think this is all there is for me to say. And once more, I thank the staff, the medical staff of Artemis. I thank Dr. Bojwani, who was the contact man, who facilitated all these things. Thank you very much.